I bought Origin fenders,
Yeah.
and that's the last time I'm buying those for a drift car.
Buying my body kit was like the most disgusting thing I felt terrible because I know I'm going to ruin it. I know I'm going to ruin it, and I was like the whole time I was thinking, I was like, I'm spending $2,000 right now on something I know I'm going to ruin. I know I'm going to ruin it right away. And I think I cracked it before we even got home anyway.
Are you serious?
Yeah, like I threw it in the back of my truck and cracked it. Like,
well, that's where whenever you go look at the stuff like KBD, it makes so much sense. Like, why would you run fiberglass on your? I think it's that video.
Yeah, like Big Duck Club got videos of them doing that to their fiberglass stuff on their page.
Yeah,
but
I don't know. Like,
mine cracked pretty easy. I like Big Duck Club, so if by some amazing way they can see this, I'm not talking shit. I love your guys' stuff, but mine cracked way easier than that video.
Well, no. Like I said, I ran the Origin fenders. They're nice. Like I like how they look. I'm never buying them again, like ever. Not on a drift car. Because we drift hard, right? We drift pretty fucking rough, and low taps here and there happen. And I think it took like 2 weeks of me taking that car out, and my fender was all cracked to shit. And Ophir got out of the shop, and he cracked the fuck his fender.
He cracked his. I remember that day. I felt so bad for Ophir that day.
How much was that? Like $4 or $6 grand? The whole body kit.
I felt so bad for Ophir that day. I know it can be fixed. It wasn't a terrible crack.
It's
I know
not
it could be fixed.
bad, but imagine you spend time to wrap, to cut, and everything. But to his defense, he didn't cut enough, which I told him, like, cut until, like, you have half inch, or less of skin in between, like, the inside the fender. Because I knew, like, I put mine on, and I looked at it, I was like, we're gonna crack the fuck out of those fender right away.
Yeah, stomped.
That's exactly what happened. He got out of the shop, hit a bump, cracked his whole fucking fender. Fiberglass, not for drift car anymore.
No.
Because, that's why I kept my plastic bumper.
Yeah, same as me. I'm running stock bumpers on my
jump. You can jump on them. You can fucking throw them as far as you can. Like my bumper saw hell last year, and it only got cross on the wrap. That's it.
Well, you remember the state of my G bumper, right?
Yeah.
Like I jumped on that bumper. Do we want to put that on here?
I tried to send the one of Josh with the RX-8, but it's taking a while to load.
Yeah, I jumped on that rear bumper while it was still in the car, using the car as a trampoline. You caving both sides of it.
Your G was probably like a foot narrower on both sides.
And that bumper is almost perfect now.
Really?
It's not perfect, but like Josiah, 10 minutes, his feet and a heat gun, and that bumper is like, it's fine to run again.